Hey everyone, I'm Tom, this is Joy.
Hello.
Behind us here is the Zeekr 7GT. Let's go take a look. Okay, so you all know how much I love the 7GT. I've only got specs from online and from China, so it can go from 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds. Dual motor, obviously. Top speed 210 kph, LFP battery for 75 kilowatt hours, or 100 kilowatt hour NMC battery, like the 7X basically. And yeah, it's a 4.8 meter length sort of GT wagon type vehicle, you can see there. And it's got a double wishbone front and a multi-link rear suspension, so you think it's pretty much high-end, as good as it goes with comfort. And yeah, there it is from the back. There it is. That wagon shape is just phenomenal, isn't it? I just love it. Love it. Every aspect of this car. And in this beautiful polished black, it's just too much. I'm speechless almost.
I feel like you can go on and on about this car all day, because you normally do go on and on about this car all day.
Now it's a specific 7GT video. I will go on and on about this car.
Yes.
Look at that, straps everywhere. We've got
which you need to, because probably with the way, you know, the driver's going to be driving this, you'll need to make sure things are strapped down.
100%. And look, the seats go down from here.
Ah, how nice.
And they've implemented the Polestar, you know, gold badge, sashes.
The sashes, yep. And I like the yellow trim as well, the switching, which we'll see when we get closer to the front. That's
level, so that ramps up a little bit. Definitely enough going to hardware stores, furniture stores, big dogs, luggage, whatever you name.
That looks like a universal plug.
It sure does, V2L, yep.
Fabulous.
And 12 volt there as well. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? I'll just put the seats back.
Oh, it's pumping. The music is pumping.
Hang on. Sorry.
Yeah, we don't want a copyright strike.
Wasn't us. It just turned on by itself, the music. Okay. Okay, I'll pop this back on. There's a little slip for it. Okay, and power tailgate, you would hope.
Yeah.
I love this too. Chrome scuff plate.
Move your hand out of the way. It is coming down pretty slowly though, so your hand
ever so slowly.
Absolutely would have gone down.
Kind of want them to keep the 007 GT aspect of it. I know it's probably a copyright thing, but it's still cool to have.
Nice badging up there, isn't it?
Let's see if the charge port is automatic.
I mean,
you'd hope so, right? Of course it is.
Yeah.
Why did I suspect otherwise? Of course, that's the Chinese standard, but we'll have CCS too, you would think. So that Zeekr asked me earlier what we think about this golden alloy.
I mean, I think it may look a little bold for our market, isn't it?
I said that to them too.
Yeah.
It's a bit bold for us. Yeah. I think a dark alloy would work better.
Yeah, I think so.
20-inch.
But please keep the orange calipers.
Yes. Just black's good, isn't it? I'll hop on the other side. Hey, is that floor not flat?
It is not flat.
It's not flat? Interesting.
It is not flat.
Why is there a drive tunnel in an EV?
I don't know.
How weird. I've not seen that before too often.
Yes, 2 USB C.
Yep, sport style
The words
seats.
are just escaping me at the moment. Look at this, I can stick my hand through there. You could like poke someone, you can poke the driver and go, hey.
Go faster. Yeah. Glass roof.
Passenger handles. Oh, including for the driver, which is kind of unusual, but hey,
interesting.
Let's roll with it.
No powered sunshade, so that's one thing you've got to keep in mind.
Yes.
Might get a bit hot. Accessory ports, potentially. I just had the sound system going earlier, as you might have heard. It's phenomenal. It sounds great.
Yeah.
All right, let's hop into the driver's side.
Wait, let's pull this down.
Oh, yes. All right, just like the 7X. Yep. Pop out drink holder.
It's like a multi-purpose armrest.
Yeah. With the
all in one.
Yellow stitching to match the sash.
I'm just going to do this so that you can see a bit of it. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Comfy too, I'd just say. Just going to flip this around if I can. Yes. Comfy.
Yeah, pretty comfy.
Yeah.
Yep. Good passenger car as well. Okay, so passenger side, as you'd expect, pretty consistent throughout. Powered seats as well. And Do we have glove box? I don't think we do. We have quite nice soft touches throughout here. We have this very interesting sort of center console here. Look at that. It's quite chunky down here. There's no takeaway area, but store stuff in there. Dual phone charging areas.
Both wireless, yep.
And
wireless
ventilated.
phone charging pads.
Yep.
Ventilated wireless charging pads. Okay.
Very much like the 7X, all these controls here. And then down here, very deep controls here. USB-C ports.
More.
Very good. Very good. Steering wheel looks like the 7X, so very familiar. There's extra buttons here. Launch mode.
And then boost as well.
Boost
and launch.
We'll figure those out very shortly, hopefully. Get the instrument cluster like the 7X. Yep, it's just all lovely touches. I haven't actually driven this car yet, so I hope we'll get to do that today, at least on the control track. I guess the last question is, does it have a frunk? Let's go have a look. Okay, you can do the honours.
Here we go.
Oh yeah?
Oh, it's a little mini one.
Is it a little one?
A little mini one.
Very thin, actually, isn't it?
You
Not
probably
very deep.
couldn't fit a Type 2 cable, but
Oh,
maybe like a universal mobile charger cable.
yeah. Because I wound the cable a few times, maybe. But yeah, right. It's not super practical, I must say.
Yeah. I wonder actually what
surprised about
you
that.
could put in
A few bottles of water, couple of bottles of wine.
that would. I mean, I just feel like it's 40 degrees today. You wouldn't want a 40-degree bottle of wine, but hey.
Yeah, a couple of bottles of wine for dinner. Nice. And just to finish off, is that open? No, I've got it open this way. Just check out the driver's side, so pretty similar. Lumbar support as well on the driver's side. So there we go. It's the Zeekr 7GT.
It's got that nice.
Designed in Gothenburg, Sweden.
So ready?
Yep.
Go.
Ooh, first time in 7GT. I got a brake.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
so responsive. Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah. Street. Past Poppy Road.
Okay,
Here we go.
for the suspension test. Oh,
Yeah. Left. Street. Yeah. Most test. We jump the left hand. Street. The right hand. And street. Yes. And we U-turn left. Back.
easy,
Easy.
easy.
Handles like a dream.
Control.
So nice. Just like the 7X actually, but better. Well, it's hard to
Because
tell.
well, as in we're lower to the ground, aren't
Go
we?
forward.
Yeah.
Stop here.
Okay, I'll change with you. Right, let's see if Joy is as convinced about this car as I am.
Well, I mean, I'm a bit of a granny driver.
Okay,
You
go.
keep saying you're a granny driver, but
Yeah.
we know inner hoon is in
I'll
you.
just wait here.
Blue cone is starting point.
Oh, blue cone is
Yeah.
starting point. Okay. I like the little head-up display. I can see what's happening. It's
Okay,
very
good.
nice.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
All right, starting test, stop start.
Okay,
Okay.
we can go.
Oh, we can go.
Yeah, go.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
I didn't want to do. I didn't reach the blue. I'm like, oh, the brake is actually way more responsive than I thought. Okay.
ABS kicked in.
Yeah. Am I too short? Or is this correct?
Okay.
This is
Correct,
correct road,
correct.
isn't it? Yep. The brake is a lot more responsive than I expected. So apologies if that was a bit
Yeah,
harsh.
all good. Suspension. Good, good, good.
Okay, so it was like sharp left and then sharp right, isn't it?
Ooh, I was very close to the cone. Yep, there's a cone.
Street.
Straight.
Yeah, street.
I'm not used to driving what do you
Yeah,
call it, left-hand
left-hand
drive, isn't it? Yeah.
We're right-hand drive.
We're
in
right-hand
Australia.
drive country.
I see. From Australia?
Yes, Australia.
Oh, Balearin. Right side, left side.
Anyhow. Doesn't matter.
Let's go that one. Got an MC.
You know what,
Always find the gap.
I'm gonna indicate.
Always find the gap.
I'm gonna indicate because why not?
Come here.
Keep going. Keep going. Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, it's a harsh stop because I keep
Thank you very
forgetting it.
much.